Hello, my name is Paul Pricing, and I'm here to talk about First Aid Only. First Aid Only makes a wide variety of first aid kits. We have everything from a 25-person kit for a smaller office up to a 250 heavy-duty wall mount kit that would handle up to 250 employees. We have something as small as a backpack for first aid as well that can be used for kids on a field trip and or any other place that time that you're going to be needing to carry a first aid kit with you. First Aid Only also has bulk first aid kits. We have bloodborne pathogen kits, and we have industry-specific first aid kits as well. All of our first aid kits are available with medications or without medications. The truly unique thing about First Aid Only is our smart tab system. The yellow tab that will pop up after when you're down to about 20% of the product that's left. And there's a reorder number on that you can manage that yourself. So it's an easy way to own and manage your first aid kit. It's much less expensive than the van services who come into your building. So that is it from First Aid Only. Thank you very much for watching our video. And if you need anything, our first aid products are available to getgarveys.com.